Everyone, so let's discuss that loving money makes you greedy or not. See, I think loving money is a good thing. I'm not saying money is more important than relationship. So I think most important thing in life is your connection with yourself and God and the wonderful people you have in your life. But also, I have realized in my spiritual awakening, money is equally important. And if you have money, then only you can eat high vibration food, or you can go ahead and pay for your gym, or like for your basic needs also you need money. Right? And people in your life also only love you if you have money in your pocket, right? This is also the harsh reality which I have realized in last 2 3 years. So yeah, because when you don't have money, people in around you also change suddenly, right? So that's what I want to say, that uh, money is very important part of our life. And if you're doing any spiritual work, whether you're a healer or whether you are any kind of coach or you're selling painting, right, it's important to charge for your worth. Okay, so, and who decide your worth? You yourself decide your worth, how much you worth, and it's your wish how much you want to charge. That is entirely up to you. But it's important that you go ahead and stop doing the free work. In case you're doing, in case you're not doing, that's wonderful, you already know your worth. But yes, loving money does not make you greedy. All right. uh, what I can say is that more spiritual people will earn good amount of money. We can go ahead and help more people, right? So I see a lot of people working for great causes, right? So we need more spiritual people at great positions. So like Bill Gates help a lot of uh, people, and he donate to a lot of charities, right? So it's important to go ahead, and in fact Tony Robbins also uh, donate, and right, and even my mentor Marie Forleo also work for so many causes. So you can go ahead and help so many people with that money, right? So you can help women coming out of abusive relationship, or we can go ahead and help them monetary help, right? Or we we can help anyone, like whosoever you want to, right? So that's what I want to say, that loving money and charging for your worth is not a bad thing, and it does not make you greedy. All right. And it's a wrong mindset if you think that loving money makes you more greedy, or it's a wrong thing to charge for your worth. All right. So though there are many people who want spiritual people to work for free and they don't want to pay for spiritual work, that's okay. All right, that is their own wish. But what I want to say is that it's spiritual to charge for your worth. You set your own standard and you set your own worth, how much you want to charge for your services. And whether you're selling a painting, or you're a healer, or you're a coach, it's important that you know your worth. Suppose I'll take example of iPhone only, right? Suppose somebody gift you iPhone for free, right? You won't know its value, right? Because free has no value actually. Like when you give something for free, that person don't realize its value actually, because he don't know his or her, that he don't know the value of that thing. All right. So that's what I want to say, that loving money does not makes you greedy. It's important to charge for your worth, and it's important to know your worth first of all. And go ahead, and so once you know your worth, people will also know your worth. All right. And so first you need to realize your own worth, then only people around you can realize their worth, right? So if you are providing like free sessions, like it's okay, like to give trial session to somebody, like in fact I have also done in beginning, but don't do like 2 hour session with someone. So, yeah, okay, that's what I want to say. You don't have to do it, all right? And so you can easily make out like if somebody is your ideal client or not, and you want to work with that person or not. And don't let, hmm, so don't let anyone else decide. You decide what you want in your life, all right? So that's all I want to say. Hope this video will be helpful to you guys. Have a wonderful and a blessed day ahead, everyone. Bye bye. Take care, guys.